a grand spectacle of American station wagon supremacy. The 1973 Pontiac Grand Safari stood as the epitome of full-size luxury wagons, crafted during an era when road presence and comfort reigned supreme. This remarkable vehicle combined performance, space, and sophistication like no other. Built on the legendary General Motors B-body platform, the Grand Safari held the title of the longest station wagon ever produced by Pontiac, stretching beyond 230 inches in length, making it a rolling symbol of excess and elegance. Beneath its extended hood, the 1973 Grand Safari was powered by a range of potent V8 engines, including the revered 455 cubic inch powerhouse that delivered an effortless surge of torque, designed to glide down highways with a commanding presence. Its smooth automatic transmission ensured a refined driving experience. Advanced suspension technology for its time allowed for an ultra-comfortable ride, making long-distance travel an indulgent affair. The car's weight distribution and sturdy frame provided stability that made it a favorite among families and enthusiasts alike. Inside, the Grand Safari exuded sheer luxury. An expansive, wood-grain accented dashboard complemented plush seating, while the available, power-operated third-row seat added an element of convenience and practicality. High-end upholstery options, air conditioning, and even power windows were offered, reinforcing its upscale appeal. The innovative clamshell tailgate design, a signature feature, allowed for seamless access to the cavernous cargo area, making it as practical as it was stylish. Few vehicles of the time could match the spaciousness and refined interior that Pontiac integrated into this station wagon. Over the years, the Grand Safari underwent subtle refinements, but 1973 remains one of its most celebrated model years, boasting a perfect balance of power and opulence. Despite its grandeur, fewer crises and changing automotive trends led to the decline of full-size wagons, making the Grand Safari an iconic remnant of a bygone automotive era. However, its place in history remains undeniable, with enthusiasts appreciating the craftsmanship and audacity Pontiac demonstrated with this behemoth. Today, the 1973 Pontiac Grand Safari is a sought-after collector's gem, with well-preserved models commanding respectable prices. Enthusiasts cherish its distinctive styling, nostalgic appeal, and rarity in today's market. Fully restored examples can fetch significant sums, reflecting their status as prized artifacts of automotive history. Does this classic station wagon still hold its charm against modern luxury SUVs? The Pontiac Grand Safari's combination of size, power, and innovation ensures that it remains an unforgettable icon of American automotive excellence. Its legacy is a testament to an era when automakers prioritized comfort, space, and performance above all else. Are you ready to rediscover the golden age of luxury travel?